It's a landmark moment for Indian democracy. That is what the government of India has said, that the Modi government gave their all clear for the one nation, one election proposal on Wednesday, and now triggering a huge firestorm from the opposition. The India alliance rubbished the cabinet nod, with the Congress calling a move against the constitution and federalism, while the TMC has labelled this a stunt. AIMIM chief Owaisi has also called it a bid to wipe out regional parties.
The Congress party doesn't believe in this one nation, one election. Practically, it is not possible. Just I was speaking to some of my Tamil Nadu friends. Still 2 years elections will be there, what they can do. Some will have 3 elections in the mid-time. So it is very difficult. They want to ease out all the state parties. They only feel that only national parties should survive. In democracy, in the federal structure, you can't do that. So they are taking a big risk.
The problem is we got here for a reason. We have a parliamentary system. In 52, 57, 62, 67, we had one nation, one election. But many of the state governments elected in 67 collapsed. They were not able to sustain their majority. Therefore, the election calendar in those states changed. They collapsed at different times, so elections came at different times. In 1971, the election that was supposed to happen in 72 happened 1 year earlier, was dissolved. You find that the calendar keeps shifting like this.
626 पेजेस की रिपोर्ट थी ये, वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन, और 191 दिनों में पूरी हुई है ये पूरी। लगभग 100 पेजेस प्रतिदिन का आंकड़ा है, अगर हम हिसाब किताब लगाएं तो। इसी से पता चलता है कि इसके बारे में कितना सतही पर दिखावटी चर्चा हुई होगी। तो सोचिए कितना चर्चा हुई होगी। अगर इतनी बड़ी रिपोर्ट थी 18,626 पेजों की, तो क्या चर्चा हुई होगी उस पर। दरअसल ये भाजपाई रिपोर्ट है जो तैयार हुई है। वन नेशन, वन इलेक्शन और वन डोनेशन।